Hello Yatri, so do you have your own application which is built on HTML, CSS and JS? Just like as you can see here, Hello Yatri is the very single static page which you can see. What if you can share your static web application code with anyone, right? Via just one link which is HTTPS secure. So let's say I want to share this website to you, so I can't able to share with you via this URL. Am I right? So in this case, what you can do, you just need to deploy this application, right? Maybe from your Netlify or Vercel, right? But what if you are going to be a good software engineer, cloud engineer, DevOps engineer? You must have to understand the Microsoft Azure, the static web app services, which is help out to you to live your application in a very few steps. Okay. So first, as you can see, this is my code which is built on HTML, CSS and JS. So this is the website, the Hello Yatri space, right? So now today I'm going to deploy this application using Microsoft Azure Static Web App. So yeah, let's get started. So first, what you must have. First, Microsoft Azure account. Okay, that means a subscription. Second, you must have to push your code into your GitHub repository. If you don't know how to push the code into your GitHub, you can check it out the video which is given in the description and the I button. Now, next, you just have one simplest code, okay, whatever it would be built on HTML, CSS and JS. If you have your React.js or any other tech stack, you need to use the app service, Azure app services. Today, we are going to deploy the application which is built on HTML, CSS and JS. So first, let's go into the static web app, right? Just simple, you can type static web app in the search bar and just click on the create. Here, let me type this password. Yeah, here you need to just select your subscription, and secondly, you need to create your research group. Let's say I'm going to give you the YouTube hyphen static web app research. Fine. At the end, you can just give the short form of your particular name, research group, the short form RG. Then just give the name of the static web app, right? So I want to keep it as it is, and let's say plan. I'm going to keep it the free. I don't need to switch into the general purpose production application right now. And I'm going to catch up the code from my GitHub account. If you are using the Azure DevOps or any others, you can go with that. Now I want to connect my GitHub account. So let's click here to sign in. So I configure my account here. Let's select the organization, Yatri Cloud, and here I need to just select my repository. So let me type hello. Yes, this is, and here is the branch name. So let's verify it. So here you can see my repository name, this is my branch name, and this is my organization. If you are using your personal account, you need to select your personal account, okay, in the organization. That means this is my username, so you need to select here your username, as you can see, right? So after that, all what you can do, just keep it as it is, everything, no need to change others. This is the app location, this is the root. That means your code is going to face from this repository, not any other inside folder. Okay. So slash, that means root folder. Then nothing to do, just click on the next deployment. Keep it the deployment token, or else you can just click on the GitHub. Okay. So fine then. Next, you can do, select the region as for your Azure function. No need to do anything. Okay. Keep it next and verify your details before creating your static web app. Fine. So you can see each and every configuration details right now which we had done. This is my repository which we are going to deploy. So after that, all just keep it, wait for at least few seconds, and after the validate, you to just click on the create button here. So let's wait. Yeah, here you can see the application is now validated. Now we need to just click on the create. Okay. Now after creating, you can see initializing the deployment. It's just like similar where you are going to push your code and you can type first git init, right, to initialize first. Just like the inter deployment, first you are going to initialize the deployment. So take it very simple, no need to keep it very complex like this is a very something different. No need to think too much, just try to do it along with me. So this is the best way to do practice hands-on whatever. No need to watch only, as you just going to forget. So yeah, you can see your deployment is completed now, and click on the go to resources. So let's close this one, and now let's first go to the GitHub and refresh it. Let me, okay, reload the page. Fine. After reload it, you can see yellow button here, right? Click here, and this is going to deploy right now. So let me click here Azure Static App CI/CD. Click on the details, and you can see this is a build and deploy. Fine. So this is a good note to detect the language from the repo. So that doesn't make any sense. Okay, you can just ignore this one, right? Don't take it as an error. Then you can see everything is going to build now. So you can see the step. Okay, first it's going to set up the job, then it's gonna the build, and then it's gonna be run actions. Okay, so you can see the GitHub actions. So if you are certified in GitHub actions, you pretty much aware about it. Then build and deploy, and then run it and complete the job. So yeah, our application is successfully deployed. So this is a URL which you can access. So click here, and yeah, my application is running now. So if you want to check it out, this application, so I just give you this link in the description. You can just click there and you are able to access. So how it easy, right? In the single few steps. So what we are waiting? Just try to do it and let me know in the comment box. Are you able to deploy your application? Yes. If you have any doubt, ping me in the comment box. Follow me on LinkedIn, and let's build the application and deploy it together. So let's say you want to deploy it via any custom domain. Okay, so if you have a domain, if you wish to connect with, just like your name yatharchauhan.me, just like me, you can push it down. So here you can see when we're going to type yatharchauhan.me, sorry. Okay, here you can see my application is running, which is built on the React.js side. But yeah, just like if you want to connect your custom domain, just let me know in the comment box. I will prepare one separate video. So yeah, till yet, bye bye, see you and take care.